Welcome back everyone to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you should be planning out your ambulatory ADA bathroom stalls. And right now this video is just going to focus on the floor plan view. So this is the ambulatory accessible bathroom stall here, and this right here is just the floor line, so don't worry about that. So let's start off with the toilet. Your toilet should be 17 to 19 inches away from the wall to its center line. And as you can see here, this line is going right through the center. I have mine at 19 inches, and yours can be from 17 to 19 inches maximum. Next, let's focus on the actual width of the bathroom stall. So the actual width needs to be 35 to 37 inches. I have mine at 37. As you can see here, if you're able to give the maximum, which is 37, give the maximum. And then I base my center line of my toilet off of that. So if I'm going to give somebody 36 inches, which is 3 feet, the toilet center line, I would make it 18 inches, which is 1 foot 6 inches. But since I can give them 37, I am giving the toilet center line 19. So now let's move on to grab bars. Oh, the length first. The length needs to be 60 inches. They need at least 60 inches. And so now the grab bars. The grab bars need to be at least 12 inches away from the wall. And the grab bars need to be 42-inch grab bars on both sides, as you can see. And yes, I am very aware that this is 61 inches, but keep in mind that 60 inches is minimum, not the maximum. So moving on, these grab bars right here, they are vertical grab bars, and they need to be at least 18 inches and placed vertically above the 42-inch grab bars. Now keep in mind that these are all dimensions that you need to have embedded as your mind as an interior design student or an architecture student or anything related to that. Now we're almost done here. If you have a wall, let's say right outside your stall, there obviously needs to be some clearance there. And you might say, oh, well, people need, 3 feet to walk by, it's 36. No, it's actually 42 inches minimum. That's how much space this needs to be, which obviously I have more than that. But, if space permits, give more. If not, make sure you're hitting that 42-inch mark. So lastly, your door clearance from here to here needs to be at least 32 inches. And this door must swing out, and it must be self-closing. So that is pretty much it for the ADA ambulatory accessible bathroom stall. Pretty much all the basics that you need to know as an interior design student or an architecture student, anything related to that. You need to have these embedded in your mind and do not doubt them whatsoever. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And drop any questions you may have below. Thank you, and God bless.